Hi, it's Angeline here. Christmas is about 4 months away and it's never too early to make Christmas cards, right? So today I'm going to make this Snowglobe snowman card using this cute snowman from Unity stamp. And I've already die cut the Snowglobe shape out of some pattern paper, and I'm adding some acetate right behind the pattern paper. You could use any plastic packaging for this as well. And I'm gonna pop it up with some foam adhesive tape here. You could double it up to create some dimension before adding your sequins to it. Just make sure to cover all the gaps so that your sequins will not fall out of your card. Now it's time to add some sequins. I'm grabbing the Cinderella and Moonshine sequins from Unity stamp. It is so pretty, I just kept adding and adding to my card. And then I am just adhering the snowman right onto my card base here and then placing the card onto the shaker part. Here you go! I just created a simple shaker card filled with all the pretty sequins. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!